No, it's not an actual video. I just took a picture. Alright guys, we're gonna do a little review. These are stuff that you guys should already know, so we shouldn't have to go over very long. So, I'm just gonna read you some definitions. You just tell me the term, or I might tell you a term, and you guys have to tell me the definition. Either one. So, what is the study of art from past to present? What do you study something from the past? What is that called? So what do you do with art? What's it called? Art history, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The study of art from the past to present, art history. Okay? Let's see. Who is George O'Keeffe?
She's an abstract natural painter. She paints flowers and schools and landscapes and cityscapes.
Excellent. That's exactly right. What was her time period? Do you remember? Yes. Yes. On here, you guys really just need to know the 20th century American artist. And she painted flowers. Is what you guys really need to remember. Because when you guys get your vocab list, there's going to be things in bold, and that's just stuff you need to remember. So if you can remember at least that one little part, you'll be just fine on the test. Let's see. What is a path made on a surface by a moving point? What? A line, yes. What is the ancient art of Japanese paper folding? Yes. Yes. Let's see. What is a... Okay, here's a good one. What are the primary colors?
Oh, yellow, red, and blue.
Yes. Yellow, red, and blue. What are the secondary colors?
Orange, green, and purple. Orange.
Okay, how about we just raise our hands?
I'm done.
It's okay. You want to answer the next one? What are... That's a good one. I can stump you guys on. Let's do another color one. What are those colors that have two names? Do you know it? So we already said the primary. We already said the secondary.
Oh, mixed complement.
Nope.
Intermediate.
Yes. Intermediate. What's the other word for that?
Blue light.
Someone said it. Yes. The tertiary colors. What's that weird word? Let's see. Someone tell me, what is the complement color of red?
Green.
What's the complement color of purple?
Yellow.
I guess I'm cheating right here. What is abstract?
It's like where it's like an actual abstract. It's where some things are enhanced, like larger, and you can't tell what it is, or
That's the key. Can't tell what it is. Something that's not recognizable, right? Something non-recognizable. It could be based on realistic objects. Mm-hmm. But the main key is just non-recognizable. What is composition? I know y'all talk about this. We talk about it a lot. You talked about dealing with what you guys are about to work on. With the flower, you put your viewfinder down. What were you? Yeah? Well, balance deals with it. Give me a little more though, a little more detail.
it's like when you're making a picture, you have to make sure it's right.
To make sure it looks right.
And if you're measuring whatever you're trying to draw.
It's just the arrangement of how you place things. So whenever you were putting your viewfinder on the flowers, you were moving it around to try and find a good composition, what was balanced, what looked good together, the arrangement. What is a grid? Someone different. Go ahead and set anything up. What's a You guys remember last week when I brought in my art and I showed you guys the Harry Potter drawing? We talked about grid with that. Why do you use a grid?
Oh, it's like a lines that cross.
That is exactly what a grid is for. Why do we use a grid in art though?
To point and put the pictures in sections.
Yes. Focus on one area. So what are you guys doing with your flowers? Like, how are you using the grid with your flowers?
We have a grid of 4 sections, and we're using it to each section and copy basically onto the bigger piece of paper. Make it look big as the like portions.
Yeah. So your viewfinder is like itty bitty, right? And your big construction paper is nice and large. So you are enlarging it. Using the grid to enlarge the little section you found in your viewfinder. What is a oil pastel?
Crayon.
Oil crayon. Very good. What you guys need to know for that is a soft, waxy crayon that has rich pigment. Things you need to know. That one's kind of self-explanatory, though. Let's see. Tell me something about balance. I know he like subtly mentioned balance.
That's like the balance out, like balancing out the colors. We have, it wouldn't be balanced if it was 1/4 black and the rest of it's yellow or something.
Mm-hmm.
And it wouldn't be balanced if it was opposite. It's trying to like make it look
Make it look equal. Yeah, that's the key word. What does it say on here? Yeah, so like one part doesn't seem heavier than another part. So if you have like a landscape and you have a whole bunch of trees on one side, you gotta have something over here to balance it out. Yeah, you can do that. You were right. You were right. What are the neutral colors? What's neutral? Yes. Yes. What is a shape? Yes. Yeah. It's what specifically? Not just a figure. It's just a line that encloses space. Yes. What? Okay, so how do you guys make the color pink?
White and red.
Yes, you have the color red, and you add white to it to make it pink, right? What is that called? You said it with a T. Someone said over here. Tint. Yes, tint. Yes. So tint is to lighten the color. What is it to darken a color?